Welcome to my audio test of the Blue Yeti from Blue Microphones, the first THX certified USB microphone. If you haven't noticed, I'm in the kitchen area and my camera's microphone, which is a Kodak EasyShare C182, I believe. I don't know, I just borrowed it from my grandmother because I don't have a digital camera because I spent all my money on a microphone. It's not that expensive, I promise. Anyway, I am not in what you call an ideal recording situation. I have a hard countertop, walls, cabinets, appliances running in the background, low ceiling, though that may or may not help. Anyway, let me start up a recording. Let's see how it sounds. Hear how it sounds.
3, 2, 1. This is an audio test of the quality of the USB microphone known as the Blue Yeti, made by Blue Microphones. How do you think I sound? Thank you for watching. Y'all have a great day.